Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. Somebody sent me an email asking me, can you use something other than a circle for a fisheye effect? You can, but you have to have basically an equal symmetrical item. Well, I'm going to make that 5 inches, and I'm going to set my nudge factor on 5 inches, and I'm going to Control D and make a duplicate, and then Control D, quite a few. Now, Control G to group up, Control D to duplicate. And we could use Matt, get the 4-sided cross and have it snap to it. This snaps really good. Control G, Control D. Now this is where we could use math really easy. And I think, you know what, I'm going to make it pretty big because I'm going to show you how you can use something other than the lens effect. So I'm going to group this together. Now, if I'm going to use a polygon for my lens effect, it needs to be in the center so everything on the outside is equal. And I don't mean the center of the page, I mean the center of the graphic. So now we have the exact same thing. I'm going to make that line black. And now I'm going to select the black line. I'm going to go to Effects and Lens Effect and go up here and do Fisheye. And look what it did. Now I'm going to freeze it and I'm going to nudge it over. Now there is a white background behind that. For some reason, the lens effect does that, and we want to get rid of it. So I'm going to go to Object, Order, Back a Page, and you can see it's white. So now what I'm going to do is ungroup all, and I'm going to try to take the white away. Okay, I didn't hit it, so I'm going to move that down, and then grab the. Let me move this out of the way totally. You know, it probably did that because I ungrouped all. There we go. Now put this back. Well, I think this is going to look cool. Control G to group that together. Let's move this out of the way. I don't ever delete it in case I have messed something up. See, now there's no white. Let's make this 5 inches. And let's change our nudge factor to 5, which it is. Hit the plus key and just make as many as you want. Control G to group, Control D to duplicate, and move that right there, and it should snap right to it. And I think I missed it. This has to be perfect. And see, it's making see, there's a lot going on. I think this is going to be cool. And I'm going to Control G to Control G, Control D. Now this is something you could definitely use math for. And it doesn't look like I'm there, and I'm not. And the reason it's not snapping good is because you have to be right on that node and hit that node. I'm going to do it one more time. Control G, Control D. And I'm going to try a couple of different things I've never tried really with the fish eye. See, it just won't snap good. But that's why you want to Control G it. Okay? Now, they're all lines, so we can't get rid of the black line. And it might look cool without the black lines. But let's try to get rid of the black line. So I'm going to take this, and I'm going to go up to Object, Group, and ungroup all. And I'm going to try to grab a black line. And you can see I've got it down there. I'm going to go to Edit, Find and Replace, Find From Selection, Find All, and hit Delete. Look at that pattern. Now, let's look at it closer up. That's a pretty cool pattern. Let's make the lines a little thicker. See, I knew it was so big, and let's make them black. You know what? Let's make them yellow. And now let's bring in a black box effect. So to answer the person's question, you can use a square, A circle is going to work best because that's what it's really designed for. But look at that pattern. And, you know, you could have done that without the fisheye effect, but you can see that it made some of the squares, and also these joints aren't joining, but it still looks good. So like if you didn't use a fisheye effect, you wouldn't have perfect 6 points polygons in the one that's squashed. Anyway, I hope that answers the question. And you could do squares. I don't think they look as good. And we'll get back to the fisheye effect. You know, the round's going to look the best, but you can't do what I just did with the round. I'm trying to talk, and you know, the round is going to be the best, but maybe I should have used that, not thinking I needed to have. I'm going to do it again. I want to be in that circle. Now, a lot of times the fisheye effect will not work again. I don't know why. So you need to take a new rectangle, holding down the control button, and this time make sure it's in the center. I'm going to make sure it double check the closest. Yep, I'm in the center. And then go to lens effect and fisheye. Look at that. So the square is even better. So this is going to make a really nice pattern. That's why I never delete stuff like that. We're going to have boxes around it, but that's really fine. Let's make it 5 inches. And this is going to be really easy to duplicate over and over and over. So let's go change our nudge factor to 5, because now it's square. It would look better without that. I would have made that outline black, but it's still pretty cool. Let's see if we can't make the outline yellow and bring in a black. We can tell you what, let's group them together before I mess up, because that way I can change them all, put a black background. So a lot of times, okay, you know what I did? I did not remove the white background from the original copy. That's kind of irritating. And I'm going to go, but it's a lesson I just forget to do. Now, you're not going to be able to grab the white, but you can, there we go. And you don't even have to put that one back. And you know what? We don't have to put the square back. But I just noticed there's a little flaw. Let's see what this looks like. I made it 5 inches, so look at that. Now, I don't think it's going to matter if that's pretty cool. I mirrored it. And I'm not saying it's going to work 100%, but it's going to be a pretty cool pattern. Nope, see it? Let's mirror this. Yep, there the lines match up. Look at that. Now I wonder if we can weld this. A lot of times you can't weld a fisheye, and I shouldn't really have tried, because it's probably gonna crash the computer, because it's trying to. I should have just made them thicker, and so I apologize if it did. Come on, I shouldn't have tried it. The fisheye effect does something where the weld tool just doesn't want to do it. But that is a cool effect. I wish I would have made it yellow. Yeah, see, it just doesn't work. And it's going to take almost that long a time to put it back. And let's just make them thicker than a hairline. Man, make them yellow. Put in a black background. So once again, find something out by accident, basically. And it's almost perfect. Anyway, that's pretty cool. I thank that person for tweaking my brain to try. I mean, he just wanted to see if other things would work. Anyway, hope that gave you a little entertainment. Thank you for watching.